What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here, just making a quick video on Futureadpro. So this is my Futureadpro account. So right now I'm sitting at 454 ad packs. Right now I have $221 that I can either take out or buy more ad packs. So right now I'm starting a new strategy on because I want to take some money out now. I was going to wait until I got to 550 ad packs to start taking money out. But I was going to take a large amount of money. I was going to take out $1,200 every month. But you know what? I'm really not thinking I'm going to need all that money at that time. So I'm going to keep letting it build up a little bit, but I'm still going to take some money out. So my new strategy is basically um, every day. So right now it's 7:59 p.m. Eastern. Every day at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern, I'm just gonna go ahead and uh, push aside $25. So every day, push aside $25. Uh, and then maybe every 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and withdraw the money that I put aside. So every 2 weeks, that's 14 days, $25 times 14. So basically, I'll be withdrawing $350 every 2 weeks, which is not bad. And of course, they're going to take their cut when you make withdrawals because if you look on, let's see, I've taken out money before, so let's see, go to business, you go to payouts. So far I've taken out $4,681 out of my account. Right now, you can actually get paid in Litecoin, which is pretty cool. But I wish you could get paid in Ethereum. That's the one I'm really waiting for because I'm trying to stack Ethereum right now. So right now, the minimum to take out is $50 and there's a $7 fee. So they went up on their fees. It used to be like $4 for the fee. Now it's $7. So now for Bitcoin, and then of course they have Litecoin if you want to stack up Litecoin, but I'm not stacking Litecoin. I want Ethereum. So that's all I have to do. I just got to go to that page and start withdrawing the money. So every 2 weeks, every 14 days, I'll take out $350. The rest of the money, the cloud that I don't push to the side, because you can see I'm sitting at $221. So basically, like right now, it is 8:01. $221. I'm gonna go ahead and cheat and buy 4 ad packs, and so it's gonna be $21 in here, and so I'll be missing $4. But of course, tomorrow at 8, I'll make sure there's $50 sitting here. We're gonna push aside the other 25. So I'm gonna go ahead. So the buy another ad pack and the use your money that's basically in this box. You can either go here where it says buy new ad packs, buy or whatever, or you can go to your advertising. So I'll just go here. So right here, you click on here. It asks you, please choose what kind of ad pack you want to buy. Of course, I want to buy $50 ad packs. And then it's telling you right here that I have $221.97. And if I want to load in the money or how many ad packs I want to buy. And it tells me right here I can buy 4 ad packs with my online account. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's gonna cost me $200. I have 221. Yeah, 221. So I press buy. That's it. That's all you have to do to buy new ad price. And then of course refresh the page, and then in a couple of minutes it's gonna update and it's gonna appear in this box. And it's going to show that I have 458 ad packs. And then, of course, I'm going to save this for basically tomorrow. And then save some more money. At 8 o'clock tomorrow, I'll push aside another $25. Actually, $29 because I have the 21 right here. So, so most likely tomorrow I'll only end up buying 3 ad packs because right now, if you look at goes to my business, You go to commissions on seeing how much money I actually make per day. So the previous day, which this company is based over in Poland, so it's going off a different time. So the previous days already ended. So I made $202 for that day. So that was yesterday or whatever, which ended today. So I made $202. The day before I made 196. Before that I made 209. Before that I made 202. Before that I made 180, 168 here, 205. This is when you don't watch your ad packs on time, you end up losing. Not really losing, but you don't make the max amount of money you can that day. But it doesn't matter because even if you don't make the max amount that day, your ad packs still mature out at $60 a piece. So you buy them at 50 and they mature at 60. And to show you that what I'm talking about, basically I'll go here and actually I'll go to this is when I'm buying the ad packs actually. So um, I'll go to advertising, then I'll go to my ad packs, and it shows you the ad packs or whatever, how many I have. And then when you scroll all the way down, and these are all the ad packs I have, it shows me the ad packs that's already matured out. So but 293 ad packs is matured out for me. And there you go, $60, so that's one, $60 one. I bought two here, so that's 120, three, that's 180. So they all always mature out at time. So you can see I purchased this one December 22nd, 2016. That's when I first joined, and it expired in April. So April 28th, 2017. My first ad pack. That's when I first joined. And of course, you just keep going down to check out all the ad packs that have expired. And then these are all the new ones. These are all the active ad packs. So you just keep on looking at them, man. That's it, really. But that's all you have to do. You just go in there and buy a new ad pack if you have the money sitting there. Or you add money if you want to buy it from out of your wallet, your Bitcoin wallet. Because if you live in the States, you want to use Bitcoin, or like if you go here, advertising, $50, either use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, or Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, if you have it, if it's Futureadpro coin or whatever. But I would say use Ethereum right now because it has the lowest fees right now. So yeah, you can use any of these cryptocurrencies. Don't try to use NetTeller, Payeer, Solid Trust, credit card, advanced cash, Payza. None of that stuff will work for you if you live in the States. You only can use cryptocurrencies to buy your ad packs. And then when you withdraw money, of course, you saw that you could withdraw with Bitcoin or Litecoin. I choose Bitcoin. So when people ask, well, can you build your Bitcoin? Yes, I can. Even though this program pays in fiat in dollars, my Bitcoin can still grow because when I take money out, I'm taking it out in Bitcoin, which means my Bitcoin is actually still growing. So, and then of course you can build a team to make commissions with this program, but it's not necessary. You can actually just do this by yourself. I've been doing this mostly by myself. Like from team commissions, I haven't really earned. Like if we go to commissions, I think it's commissions. So my team that I have right now I've only earned $688 from having team commissions. So, and then if you look on my account itself, you can see in commissions total, I've made $32,406. So of course, most of the money I have made has been due to my own due diligence and my own activity. So you can do the same thing. I started in December 22nd, 2016. Right now it's April 10th, 2018, and that's how far I haven't gotten. So I think anyone can do this. Now, to qualify to be able to earn money with this account, you have to watch 10 ads daily. So far, it's showing that I watched 3 ads out of 10. So, easy. it says watch ads right here on this blue button. So you'll click on the button, then the ads will pop up on this screen. It's showing 9 ads that I could watch. So I'll just pick any one. I don't really care which one I pick. It shows some ad to someone's advertising something. Then the timer is actually this green bar that goes across the screen. So that's the time. We just wait for that timer to end. If you like the page or whatever, you could do whatever you want with the advertising or whatever. You can use it or whatever, or you can not use it. Like I don't you usually do anything with these ads. Like here, look at this person. He's trying to earn Bitcoin. Really, come over here, earn Bitcoin. Let's see what they got. Trade Coin Club. This is not available in the United States. So whoever's advertising Trade Coin Club, it's not available to people that live in North America. So it doesn't even matter. There's a lot of programs out there like this that's trying to capitalize on people by taking a Bitcoin. Don't know if this is still up and running, but yeah. So Trade Coin Club. Okay, the next one is, let's see, which one I'm gonna look at. They got some coin there, so I trust. What is this? Grab this system while it's still free. Let's check this one out. And there's not much about it. So you're about to start generating unlimited $80 commissions online. Okay, so this most likely either recruiting people or selling some sort of product. And one of the things I kind of concentrate on is I want to be able to make money without ever having to recruit a single person or sell a single product to a person, some sort of retail sale or anything like that. I want to use whatever I'm using to make money. So with Futureadpro, even though you can recruit and make extra money, I don't have to recruit and make money. As you can see, most of my money is made by my own efforts. So look at this ad. So that new Google algorithm, whatever you search on Google, it pops up. It ends up popping up on an ad on Futureadpro, and it does the same thing with Facebook. It's like really weird, but whatever. Let's see. Join the crypto builder team. Build auction the BTC. Rockwell Wall investments. That's something like Gladio Coin and BitConnect and stuff like that. So I won't even look into that craziness. How to earn online in 14 days flat. Let's see, how flat is this? Okay, I remember this picture. See this picture in the background? They downloaded this picture from basically Google. I used to use this picture when I was talking about another program that has this guy right on the board and stuff like that. They have another one. I think it was the same guy, but it's like dealing with Forex market, and you can see this is part of like the power lead system or whatever, one of those type systems or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and press next. Let's see. Let's do one more. I know. And this is all it takes to earn money in Futureadpro. As you can see, I've done 7 out of 10. So all I have to do is 3 more. So no, I'm just code off because I don't need to do my ads right now. But as you can see, that's all. See, there you go. So 458 ad packs. I'm at $24 right now. So I'm almost at $25. It's only $8.12. So I made those $3 really fast in 12 minutes. I made $3. But anyway, this video is about to end. So thanks for watching my video. And let's all keep making money. All right. Peace.